A portfolio is all about impact. It always has been, but there was a causal relation between the outputs that we delivered and the outcome it will give. However, the more dynamic and the more complex the world gets, the less the causal relation between output and outcome is there. So it means that your portfolio management, your discovery-based portfolio management, should much more be impact-driven, result-driven, outcome-driven. Yeah, what that is, that really depends on your organization. It depends on your business, depends on your customer. It's really about, why do we do this? The why question. What do we want to achieve here, and how do we measure that? So in fact, what I always like to talk about is what I call the definition of success. For an initiative in your portfolio and the amount of investment, when is it a success? And how will you measure that success? And sometimes it's about time to market reduction. Sometimes it's about cost reduction. Sometimes it's about market value, market size. Sometimes it's about revenue. Sometimes it's about customer satisfaction. But be sure that when you put stuff in your portfolio and you make the decision to go to invest there, where do you expect a return on investment? What's your definition of success? And it needs to be defined upfront, because that really makes sure that you say, well, I want to invest this amount of money or this amount of time to get that result. And then in the actual delivery, when you start to do your experimentations and your iterations, you will validate early whether the planned cost or the planned investment is actually capable of making that impact, creating that value. And if you already early on will see that's not feasible, you have the decision to either continue for a lower return on investment or to stop your initiatives and focus your investments elsewhere. So that's the power of portfolio management, that you get more dynamic, able to steer. However, you do need to know what success is, because if you don't know what success is, how can you be successful? And that's how you steer on value in portfolio management.